Good morning, everyone. And today I will start the chapter again, Python programming. And in my previous class, I have taught you about uh, how to write programs, different types of programs. Okay. And hopefully there was no problem. Okay. So in your doubt classes, you can even ask if you had any problem. Please install Python. How to install Python? I have already told you. Those who are not aware, you just type python.org on your browser and open the legal website that is of Python.org, and from that you download Python 3.8.2, okay, or point 3 is available, so you do it. And after that, you simply have to install. That's it. Once Python is installed, you can write program in that. And I've already spoken that there are two modes. One is interactive mode and one is script mode. And you have to write program or block of code in script mode. So for your convenience, again, I am sharing the screen for you. My screen is shared. Okay. And I'll start Python ideally. Python ideally 3.8.2. So this I am starting. Okay. Now in this file, what we are going to do here, we'll click new and we'll take. Now today I am going to teach you about different types of operators that I have already started. Right definition for operator. Again, for your convenience only, I will start word here so that what I am teaching is visible on screen also. So I am taking word also here. Word starting. I don't want to sign in here. Word is here. I will take word from here. So this I have already taught in my previous classes. So I will delete this. And now I'll start with operators. So operators. Note down, this is another type of tokens. The tokens which I have taught, I'll just give the numbering. One is identifier, second is keyword, third is literal, fourth is variable, identifier, keyword, literal, variables, and now I'm teaching you operators. Write it. It operates on some operands or expressions and gives a desired result. Okay, this is a simple definition I have given. It operates on some operands or expressions and gives a desired result. For example, I say A plus B. A is an operand and B is also an operand. If I say 40 plus 50, so 40 is an operand, 50 is an operand, whereas plus is an operator. Is it clear? So it operates on some operands or expression and gives a desired result output. You can write result or you can write output. Now you write types of operators. Types of operators. Number one operator is unary operator. Second is your binary. Utkarsh is always coming late. Binary operator. And third is ternary operator. So these are the basic three types of operators I have told you: unary, binary, and ternary. Unary means one. It operates on it operates on single operand or expression. It operates on single operand or expression. Binary, you write, it operates on two operands or expression. I repeat, unary works on single operand or expression. I'll give you example. Binary, it operates on two operands or expressions, two expressions between two operands or between two expressions. And ternary, you write, it works between three expressions. Example, I will give you unary. What is unary operator? Which operates on one operand. So for example, I write it here as -5. So what happens? More operators are there that I will teach you later, but just I am taking 1, 2, 3. -5. So here 5 is an operand, and here the operator is written as plus. So this is unary minus. Understood? Unary minus. Normally we don't write plus because it is understood that plus operator is before a number. So here it is understood that unary plus is also there. Second is binary operator. For binary operator, I am again taking parts of it. That is second. बाइनरी ऑपरेटर के टाइप्स में आ जाएंगे अरिथमेटिकल ऑपरेटर, सेकंड में ही आप पार्ट कर रहे हैं, दैट इज बाइनरी ऑपरेटर, अरिथमेटिकल ऑपरेटर्स. Now what are arithmetical operators? Arithmetical operators are, you know, plus, minus, multiply, divide, and one more I am taking here, percentage. Beside that, I am taking slash slash, and also I am taking asterisk asterisk. So these are the different types of arithmetical operators, and I will explain all these operators in programming also. The plus is known as addition operator, you know. Minus is known as subtraction operator. Okay. Asterisk is known as product operator. Multiplication, product to get product. Divide is used to get quotient, and percentage is used to get remainder. This you remember. 2 slash is used to get for floor division or integer division. Double asterisk is used for to get a to the power b value. B value. For example, if you have to write, suppose 3 to the power 2, then for that actually you have to write 3 asterisk asterisk 2. This is equivalent. Okay. This is equal 3 to the power 2, or you will write 3 asterisk asterisk 2. So I will explain you everything in programming. First you note down operators. It operates on some operands or expression and gives the desired result output. Type of operators: unary operator works with one operand or expression. Binary operator works between two operands or expression, and ternary operator works between three operands or expression. -5, I have given example of one, that is first. -5 यूनरी ऑफ माइनस है, यूनरी एक के वर्क करता है. और एग्जांपल चाहिए तो और लिख सकते हैं इसके. minus, suppose I have written a plus b, s plus b into 5, 4. Yeah, this is an expression. So here this minus is unary, but remember these operators are binary. But here wala, this one where I am putting cursor, remember this is unary operator. Okay, arithmetical operator, addition, subtraction, product, quotient, percentage, floor division or individual division, and double asterisk is known as to get a to the power b value, and a to the power b value का मतलब होता है 3 to the power 2. Then you have to write 3 asterisk asterisk 2. Okay, so I'll come to Python now, and I will write program for you so that it's very clear to you. So I need not to write a very big program. So what I will do here, I am just using, you know that 5 plus 4, 5 plus 5, 5 plus 4, whatever you want to do, is 9, plus is used to add two numbers, that's a binary. Whereas if I write 5 minus 4, in program also you can write, in script mode also you can write, result is 1. Now the next point which I am taking here, suppose I am taking 5 into 4, the result is product, that is 20. Okay. Now if I want to take slash 5 by 4, then the result is coming 5.2, 5, 1.25. 5 divided by 4 is equal to 1.25. This is the result you are getting. Now next I am taking here 12 by, suppose 3. The result is coming 4.0. What we have noticed it here, by default, it divides the number, it takes the number as float. By default, Python takes the number as float. Like 5 is not integer, rather float. 4 is not integer, rather float. Understood? Now, if I take here another example, I am taking slash is used for division and it gives result, that is quotient. This is the quotient you have got. Okay. Now next result here I am using 10 divided by 10. Suppose I am taking here 10 mod 2. The result is coming 0. Why it is coming 0? Percentage is used for remainder. So 10 when divided by 2. If I take here 5 mod 3, what result you will get? You will get result as 2. Okay. I just want to take your view. So I think I am clear to you. In case you have problem, I again told you, you can ask in doubt classes, but still you have problem, you can unmute yourself. Any of you, I'll just take a response from Noel. Okay, Noel, I'll take from you, and I'm asking you to unmute yourself. Noel, do you have you understood the operator? Please say quickly. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. One more response I'll take from Samriddhi. Unmute yourself. Samriddhi.
Yes, sir, I understood.
Okay, good. So
Yes.
on an average, I will take that everyone has clear. If you have doubt, again I'm telling you, you can ask in doubt classes. So I'll come back to the point now. Okay. Chirayush, you raised hand.
So please teach remainder again.
Pardon?
So please teach remainder again.
Okay. That I will take, don't worry. Okay. Put your hand down and unmute yourself. Come to the point. We'll come again here. We'll start here Python. Okay. Beta, in case of any problem, you can, one person can unmute their video. I have not muted everyone. So even I ask to unmute and give response. So 5 mod 3 is 2. Now if I take here 5 mod 5 remainder, आप 5 को 5 से divide करते हैं ना भाई, So what result you get? Quotient as 1 and remainder as 0. So 5% is used for remainder. So result will come as 0. 5% 4 I'll take. So 4 ones are 4, remainder also 1 and quotient also 1. Understood? समझ में आ रही बात? When we are going for integer division, I am telling you. Now next is your, if I take 5, please pay attention on this. If I am taking 5 mod 5, you have understood 0. But if I am taking 5 mod 6, what is the result? Result is 5. Why it is coming 5? Why 5 is coming here? Now see here. If I write here I have to write print. Remember 5 mod 5 is 0, but 5 mod 6 is. What is the result? I called 5. Why it is result is coming 5? When you divide 5 by 6, when you divide by 6, now I will not allow Kartikeya. It's too late. Kartikeya is too late. Kartikeya, any of you tell me, Kartikeya was in the class initially or not?
Yes, sir.
He was? Today he was in the class?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There were 13 students.
Okay, so I admit it.
Right.
So 5 by 6, result will come as 5 by 6. So quotient will come different and remainder. Now while remainder is, I'm talking of remainder. So when you divide 5 by 6, 6 ones are 6, that means 0 time division. Understood or not? I'm not taking point, 0. Now what is integer division I'm talking? Once you are talking of integer division, 5 cannot be divisible by 6. I'm not talking of float or real division, decimal division, I'm not talking. Please try to understand. So the remainder is, quotient is 0. Then what left there? That means dividend, that is 5 itself is the remainder. So answer will come as 5. If I type 5 instead of 5 mod 6, I write 5 mod 7. Still the result will come as 5 only. If I write 5 mod 8, again it is not divisible, the remainder. So आप एक conclusion निकाल लो in integer division. In integer division, when dividend, that is 5, dividend is less than divisor. Dividend is less than divisor. That means dividend, that is 5, itself is the remainder. ये simple सा maths है. Okay? So when the dividend जिसको divide कर रहे हैं, किससे? 8 से, 5 को 8 से divide कर रहे हैं, तो 8 से exact division नहीं होगा, 0 point something हो सकता है, I agree, but 0, you take integer as 0. So what is the remainder? 5. 5 mod 5, yes, it is divisible one time, so that result will come as 0. But after that, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, anything, the result will come, the dividend itself, that is 5. If I'll take here, suppose 6 mod 6 is 0, but 6 mod 7 is 6, 6 mod 8 is 6, 6 mod 9 is 6 only. So hopefully this point is clear to you. So I will take again here more example. 5 mod, as I said, 6 mod 6, 0, but 6 mod 7 is 6. Remainder समझ में आ रहा है? Mod I am saying remainder mod एक ही बात कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है? Whereas 6 by 7 is 0 point. Now you want the integer division. For the integer division we have an operator 6 2/7. Now you see the result. The result is coming 0 because it will not take point. Understood? 5 by 2 is 2.5. But 5 2/ is 2 only. Try to get this concept. समझना पड़ेगा आपको. 5 by 2 is 2.5, where 5 2/2 and then 2 is 2. Okay, I take 9 by 4 is 2.25, but 9 2 slash 4 is 2 only. 9 mod 2 is 1. Okay? So again I'll come to you. Hopefully the point is clear. I'll ask Nishal. Nishal, I'm asking you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, any of you have problem, please ask me, raise your hand. So I will unmute you. Any of you? No? So you have understood? Yes.
Sir,
Ask
can you explain me?
what?
Sir, can you explain me the floor division again?
कमाल है यार, एक ही बात को कितनी देर में समझ में आता है? I have already explained. Again, I don't know what you are not getting. That is the thing. Now, 9 by 4, 2.25 रिजल्ट आता है, मगर 9
Yes, sir.
डबल स्लैश जब करते हैं तो ये पॉइंट्स को हटा देता है. इतनी सी बात है. 9
Okay, sir. Okay.
understood?
Okay, sir.
Whereas percentage only used for integer division. Percentage is only used for integer division. Understood?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Put yourself, unmute. And now I am going to take some more operator. Today I am focusing on operator only. That is after this. Now I am focusing here. एक मिनट में जरा अपना वीडियो भी ऑन कर लूँ. ये एक समस्या आ जाती है. Wait. Samriti, you are raising hand. Parth Khandewal has entering now. I will not allow yaar. This is too late. He was in the class. Parth,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
something wrong with your operator. I mean networking. So this whatever I have taught you till now, you have I don't think you have any problem. Okay, so I will again share the screen for you so that you come to know that what I am going to teach you here. Okay. Enough windows are open. I am not saying anything. Okay. So I'll focus here again. Now see here, 9 percentage 2 is 1. Okay. 9 percentage 2. Now next operator I am taking here is 2 asterisk sign. 2 asterisk sign. So that is used for getting a to the power b. Now a 3 power 2. If I say what is the result, you can give answer. 3 to the power 2, 9. So 2 asterisk and 2 I am taking here. Unmute yourself. 3 asterisk 2. The result is 9. Understood? 3 asterisk 2 is result is 9. Screen is shared for you so you can view. Please unmute yourself. Parth. Parth, unmute. Mute yourself, sorry. Parth, mute yourself. 3 asterisk 2 is 9. So 4 asterisk 5. What result you will get? 4 to the power 5. 2 asterisk 3. 8. 1 asterisk. Remember, 1 asterisk for multiply. Whereas 2 asterisk for power. 2 to the power 3. Okay? क्लियर हुआ या नहीं? ये बात समझ में आ रही है आपको? ये बात आपको समझ में आ रही है? Okay, good. So next, which I am taking point, I am going to take it here as operators. So next operator I am taking here as relational operator. You write now. We are start with the relational operator. Relational operator. This is a signing problem. Always with it. Get up from this. I will open any of the word. Word is giving all the numbers. I don't want to kill it here. Next. I'll take Notepad here. So what I'll do, I'll write in Python only. Okay, file new, script code. Next, I'm going to teach you relational operator. Now, what are relational operator? Less than, greater than, less than, equals to, greater than, equals to, and equals to. Though equals to, and equals to. Greater, less equals, equal, and so on. So, relational operator gives right definition, used to compare two values. Relational operator used to compare two values and it returns true or false value. Used to compare two values and it returns true or false value. It returns true or false value. Okay. Next is your greater relational operator used to compare two value written and returns true or false value. तो अब यहाँ पर less than, greater than, less than equals to, greater than equals to, and equal equals to. When you have to compare a value, that is A is less than B, or you want to compare, suppose if 2 is less than 3, it is true or false? Of course it is true. 2 is less than 3. Now if I write here 5 is greater than 4, yes, 5 is greater than 4. But if I say 5 greater than 40, it is false. So when you have to do programming, where you have to compare values, if you have to compare 5 less than equals to 5, 5 is not less than, but 5 is equals to 5, then this statement becomes true. Now if I write here 5 is greater than equals to 7, so this is false. Now if I write here 5 equals to 5, so true. I am writing here, this is a true statement. This is again a true 5 greater than 40 false statement. This is false. This is 5 less नहीं है मगर बराबर है, that is true. Then 5 greater than equals to 7, false. And this statement 5 equals to 5, yes, it is true. So true. So these operators are basically used to compare different types of values. Okay, students. So I'll keep my class till here only because I have to take another class also. That is 12th class just now at after 5 minutes. So I'm stopping now my class. We'll resume the class Monday. Okay. So operators I have started. Again, I'll teach you more about the relational operator, and then I will teach you the next type of operator, that is logical operator. Okay. So till now The operators we have learned unary 1, -5 or minus with some expression. And then we have learned here how to work with the binary operator and types of binary operators. Arithmetical operator aa gaya, that is plus, minus, multiply, divide, percentage, to slash sign. They all are working between two operands. Okay, so they all are binary operators. Okay, so we'll learn more in the next class about operators. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day ahead. Goodbye. Take care. Bye.